Ladies, come a little closer. This one is for you. If you have sandals, then you're going to know what I'm talking about. Those ugly toe marks that get right in the front of your sandals. They're dirty, you can see right where your feet go, and you start to hate to wear them. But there's a great way to clean those up, and it's so easy. We're going to take a damp microfiber cloth. Now it just has to be damp, no water should squeeze out of it. We're going to take that, put it over our fingers, and we're going to start and work across the toe of the shoe. So we're going to rub this way, then we're going to rub the other way, because we want to rough that up and get in there and get all of that dirt and soiling, because there's a lot of oil that gets in there from your skin. So just keep rubbing back and forth. And you can work in a circular motion too. When you're done and you have them as clean as possible, then take a dry microfiber cloth, wipe over them again, reset that nap, and then let them dry out of the sun. No more toe marks, and you can do it repeatedly, and it does a great job every time. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.